The Norwood schools are halfway through the year and next week is February break. On Thursday, the staff at Norwood High School was treated with a very special lunch. Let's go to NCM reporter Brian Boudreau to see what's on the menu.
Thanks, Kristen. As you can see, it's Taco Thursday here at NHS. There's teachers and staff lined up behind me to get a free taco. It's just a small appreciation before they take off for February vacation.
We have a South Shore Taco Guy here today to thank teachers and custodians and paraprofessionals and nurses, everybody who has been working so hard, secretaries, everybody who's been working so hard throughout this pandemic to keep school running and getting kids back in school. Sure, we saw his Facebook page, South Shore Taco Guy's Facebook page, where he said he will come to places with some sponsorship and celebrate the workers who have been working so hard throughout the pandemic. We thought it would be great, a little morale boost to do for our teachers.
I think it's a well-needed sort of break. It's wonderful to see my colleagues actually, especially from other departments, and just have a quick chat, you know, socially distanced chat, of course. That's something I think we've really missed, and is just seeing each other regularly and having a chat.
I mean, everyone is working so hard, and it's just amazing to have something to look forward to in the day. Right before break, even better.
It's been a lot of fun. You know, this is my sixth school now. I have at least 7 more on the agenda. People are coming out of the woodworks to pay for it too. Today, Bach Toyota came out and paid for this, which was fantastic. I've been posting on South Shore Taco Guy's Facebook, like, hey, I'm going to go to this town. Does anyone want to sponsor? And I'm getting inundated with calls. So people are on board. They're ready to help these teachers out. I tell you, I do a lot of work with a lot of different companies and so on. I've never seen someone so happy than the teachers. The teachers are stoked. They come out with just a smile. It doesn't take a lot to give someone a great day. And who doesn't love a taco? I mean, that's the bottom line. And again, they're the happiest people I think we've dealt with all year.
Are you into fitness, Brian?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Fitness whole taco into my mouth.
Well, as you can see, teachers and staff truly did appreciate this little treat before they went into February vacation. Reporting for Norwood News, I'm Brian Boudreau.
Thanks, Brian. I was able to taste that very special treat myself, and it was so good. So thank you to the administration for giving us that treat.